Decision not to join RCEP is final, asserts Union Minister Piyush Goyal, but adds the government can reconsider if member countries address issues raised by it. China appeals to India to join forum, assures that it will accommodate demands. Prime Minister Modi chairs the meet on pollution situation in North India. Also reviews possibility of heavy rains triggered by Maha cyclone in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Government providing institutional support to promote invention and innovation, says Prime Minister Modi. Inaugurating the International Science Festival in Kolkata, Prime Minister underscores India's position as world's third largest startup ecosystem. CBI cracks down on various bank fraud cases, conducts raids in 169 places across 15 states, including Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. Registers 35 cases involving funds worth 7,000 crore rupees. And protesting policemen call off strike outside Delhi Police Headquarters. Senior police officials assure them of a probe into the incidents of violence by lawyers. Also announce 25,000 rupees compensation for policemen injured in Tees Hazari court violence.